Hi, I'm Tom and I'm part of the marketing team here at EKM. Today I want to talk to you about Google Shopping going free and about Google Ads reducing search term visibility. Now these are both extremely important topics for any business owner, so make sure you stick around for the full video. Earlier this year in April, Google announced that Google Shopping would now be free to US merchants, with the scope to expand this worldwide in the future. They have since announced that this will be available to merchants in Europe, Asia and Latin America by mid-October. Google actually stated, just as we don't charge sites to be a part of the Google search index, listings for participating retailers are eligible to appear in these results at no cost to them. Paid listings will continue to appear in ad slots and will operate in the same way as shopping ads do today. Now, merchants in the UK who wish to use this will need to head to their Merchant Center account and ensure that they're opted into the Surfaces on Google program. This is the only way you'll be able to show your products in relevant search results across Google Search, the Google Shopping tab, and Google Images. However, this brings the question, why are Google making it free? Well, Google has offered product listings for free before. The service was originally known as Frugal, but in 2012 it made the switch to only accepting paid for adverts. The result was that the volume of products it linked to dramatically declined, which reduced its popularity with shoppers. Now, users instead headed to sites such as Amazon, which offers a much wider array of goods. However, Google now wants that traffic back and it wants to reclaim its position. And that's great news for online retailers. While the qualifying criteria for this are still unclear, it further enhances Google's offering and appeals to both sellers and consumers. And this does mean that online shop owners can now reach millions of people for free, changing the online advertising landscape. Okay, so moving on to our next topic about Google Ads decreasing search term visibility. Now they recently released a statement reading, "We are updating the search terms report to only include terms that were searched by a significant number of users. As a result, you may now see fewer terms in your report going forward." But why is search term visibility so important for users of Google Ads? Well, let me give you an example. Say an advertiser sells only high-end coffee tables. The term inexpensive doesn't have the right intent, is seen by low conversions and therefore can be added as a negative. Alternatively, a query that is converting well could be added as a positive keyword and used within the ad copy itself. Now, in short, the actual search terms help to show user intent that can't be gleaned solely from the keywords. So using search terms can help build successful ad campaigns and give business owners an idea of what keywords customers are using in their searches. However, the issue here doesn't lie in the fact that they won't be able to see search queries with a few clicks, but more the fact that these low search queries can take up a considerable chunk of your ad budget. Now, this can leave ad users unsure as to where their budget is being spent, and also make it even harder to negate these irrelevant search terms with just a few clicks. One solution could be to continue using a Microsoft Ads account or to even create one. They have shown no signs that they will be limiting search term visibility as Google has done. Therefore, this can provide a better insight into which positive and negative keywords are suitable for your campaign, hence saving your advertising budget. And that's everything for today's video. As always, don't forget to drop a like and follow our social media pages so you never miss a new video that could benefit you and your online e-commerce business. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comments section. Again, I've been Tom from the marketing team here at EKM. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.